Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today we're going to make this cute little heart with some eyes and a cute little mouth. For this project, of course, you'll need some wool and an appropriate size hook. Some googly eyes, buttons will do. And if you have some black thread lying around, black yarn lying around, or any other color that you'd like to use, you don't necessarily have to make this in red. For this project, I'm using a double thread of yarn. This entire project is worked in single crochets. You start by making a slip knot. Then you chain 2. In your first chain, you will make 2 single crochets. That's row 1. For row 2, chain 1 and turn your work. Please be advised that going forward, whenever you turn your work, you will chain 1. You have 2 stitches there. In each stitch, you want to make 2 single crochets. That's the 1. In the second stitch, 2 single crochets. That's row 3. Chain 1 and turn. Sorry, that's row 2. Now we'll do row 3. In your first stitch, please make 2 single crochets. 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. In your last stitch, 2 single crochets. That's a total of 6 single crochets in row 3. Chain 1 and turn. Row 4. 2 single crochets in the first stitch. 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 2 single crochets in your last stitch. That's a total of 8 stitches in row 4. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 5. 2 single crochets in the first stitch. 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Two single crochets in the last stitch. Total of 10 stitches for row 5. Row number 6. Don't forget, chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochets in your first stitch. 1 single crochet in the next 8 stitches. Two single crochets in your last stitch. This will give you a total of 12 stitches for this row. Chain 1 and turn your work. You're now on row 7. 2 single crochets in your first stitch. 1 single crochet in the next 10 stitches. Two single crochet in your last stitch. Total of 14 stitches. Chain 1, turn your work. This is row 8. 2 single crochets in the first stitch. 1 single crochet in the next 12 stitches until you get to the end. That's 12. In your last stitch, 2 single crochets, please. Chain 1, turn your work. You will have a total of 16 stitches. In the 9th row, increase in your first stitch, which is 2 single crochets. You now will make 1 single crochet in the next 14 stitches. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2 single crochets in the last stitch, which will give you a total of 18 stitches. Chain 1, turn your work. 2 single crochets in the first stitch. This is row 10 and your last increase row. In the following 16 stitches, you will make 1 single crochet per stitch. This is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. In your last 2 stitches, in your last 1 stitch, 1 single crochet please, 2 single crochets please, and that will chain 1. You have a total of 20 stitches across. Now on row 11, single crochet across all 20 stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. You would have completed row 11, chained 1 and turned your work. Row number 12. 1 single crochet across the next 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 1 and turn. Now we're going to decrease. You decrease over the first 2 stitches. Single crochet, decrease. Then you will single crochet over 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. In your last stitch, single crochet, decrease. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 13 is done. Now you're on row 14. Single crochet, decrease over the first 2 stitches. 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. That's 2, 3, 4. Single crochet, decrease in the last 2 stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 14 complete. Row 15, single crochet, decrease over the first 2 stitches. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Single crochet, decrease in your last 2 stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 15 is complete. You are moving to row 16. Row 16, single crochet, decrease over the first 2 stitches. Single crochet, decrease over the last 2 stitches. Chain 1. And at this stage, fasten off and cut your yarn. To do the other side of the heart, you will start right here. Join your yarn however you want to join it. Right. In your first stitch, you'll make a single crochets, one single crochet across all 10 stitches. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 13, you'll make a single crochet decrease over the first 2 stitches. One single crochet in the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In your last 2 stitches, please single crochet decrease. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 14, single crochet decrease in the first 2 stitches. One single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Single crochet decrease over your last 2 stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet decrease over the first 2 stitches for row 15. Single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Single crochet decrease in the last 2 stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 16. Single crochet decrease in the first 2 stitches. Single crochet in the last 2 stitches. Chain 1. Do not cut your yarn. You're going to make this border. It's also made in single crochets. Very simply, for every row going down, you're going to have 1 single crochet. But, can you remember row 10? Where you have row 10, you're going to put 2 single crochets. Very simple. And at the point here, you'll make 3 single crochets. On this side of row 10, you'll have 2 single crochets. And I will meet you here at row 10. So on row 10, I'm putting 2 single crochets in row 10. And I will continue until I get to the point here. I'm at the beginning where I started with those chain stitches. In there, I'm going to crochet 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and I'm going to work this tail in now that I've come to the side of the work. You will continue to make 1 single crochet until you get to row 10 where you'll make 2 single crochets. Once you reach this point here, you'll make 1 single crochet in the top of your heart, and you will make 1 single crochet along the middle here. And I'll meet you when you're right here. When you get to the center of your work, single crochet in between both. Make not single crochet, slip stitch in between them. Now I've been working my tail in also there, and you will continue to put single crochets until you get here. Here we are. I just slip stitched into the first single crochet that I made, and I'm just going to chain 1. Oops. Pull my yarn I'm not going to work my tail in right at the second. So the only thing you need to do is add googly eyes. What I am planning to do is I'm going to join both these hearts together and stuff them, but that's for another video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, tag me in anything y'all make. I'd really love to have a look, and have a wonderful Valentine's. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.